Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Firm Central for law firm management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Firm Central for law firm management, first, visit the Firm Central website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and firm details. Once your account is created, log in to your Firm Central dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main interface, which includes client management, billing, and document storage sections. To add a new client, navigate to the Clients tab. Click on the Add Client button to enter the client's information. Include essential details such as the client's name, contact information, and case type. After adding a client, move on to creating matters related to that client. Select the client from your list and click on the Add Matter option. Enter details for the case, including the matter description, deadlines, and involved parties. Utilize the calendar feature to manage important dates and deadlines. Add events by clicking on a date and entering the event details. Set reminders for yourself and your team to keep everyone on track. Next, turn your attention to document management. To upload documents, go to the Documents tab within the Client or Matter section. Click on the Upload button and select files from your computer. Organize your documents using folders for easy access. For billing, navigate to the Billing section. Create invoices by selecting the client and matter you're billing for. Enter billable hours, expenses, and any applicable taxes. Preview the invoice before sending it out to ensure accuracy. Track payments through the same billing section to stay updated on client balances. Use the reporting tools to generate insights on firm performance. Access reports on billable hours, revenue, and client payments for strategic planning. Regularly update your calendar, document management, and billing sections. Make use of Firm Central support resources if you have questions or need assistance. Explore additional features such as task management and collaboration tools as you become more comfortable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.